Alright, today guys, we are going to put on this tip and see if it makes any difference in the sound. You can see this bad boy is pretty good size. And you won't really see it, it's going to be under the truck, but I got 3-inch exhaust, so I had to have something that would go over the 3 inches. So let's move the truck out, slide this bad boy on, and see what happens. Alright guys, let's do a before. Alright, that's the before sound. Alright, let's try with the tip on. so let me give my 2 cents on the Rolling Big Power exhaust tip. The quality wise with the paint, it's really good quality. The decal part that you see that's riveted on, it seems pretty good. If this was an exposed tip, it would look pretty sweet. Now the only reason why I went so big is I got 3-inch exhaust, and it said it would go mate from a 3-inch, and the exhaust of course is like a 4-inch. So, but this seems more like it's probably made for like a diesel truck, but you're not gonna see it anyway. And I was just trying to muffle a little bit of the sound when I go on the highway to kind of give it a little bit of a deeper tone, which I think it does somewhat address that issue. Now I wish it would have been just a little bit smaller so I could have actually just welded it onto my exhaust there, but because it's so big you have to use the clamps, and the clamps are kind of cheesy. I've actually seen some of the reviews where they said if you don't get it tight, you go off-road, it might fall off. So anyway, it's a cheap tip to try. If you're a diesel guy, it would definitely work for y'all. I'll leave the link below. It's only like $24, so anyway, works for now till we try something different. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep it simple, keep it sweet.